Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new free restock feature in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can go to the plant shop first and you can talk to the NPC, and here you will see what you add to restock. It means that if you want to restock, you just need to watch the ad and then you can restock for free. And I'm going to click on this menu, and just remember guys that this feature is only available on PC, so you need to open the Plant vs Brainrot on your PC. And as you can see, I've earned instant seed restock, and yeah, I can buy the seed from the new restocking. Oops. And okay guys, that's how we can use the free restock feature in Plant vs Brainrot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!